This is Sandra B and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be teaching you how to get this braid right here with this little look right here. It is really easy to do. I think it takes me under 10 minutes or about 10 minutes to do this entire look with my hair. It is super easy. I love it when I don't have anything else to do with my hair. This is definitely what I go for. Before I get into the video, make sure you guys have hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon just to know you guys are subscribed and that you will get all your notifications on time. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it already, or you can always wait till the end of the video and then give it a thumbs up at the end. Also, if you'd like to suggest, comment, just say anything, the comment section is below. It is free. You can leave whatever kind of comments you want and I'll definitely respond to them. I always respond to my comments, so if you'd like to leave something, you can go ahead and do that. And also, disclaimer, I also did a makeup tutorial on this look. I'm pretty sure it's up already. If it is, it's going to be linked in the eye right here and you guys are going to see it. I'll also link it in the description box below so you guys don't miss it. So if you'd like to get that makeup look, it is up already. And yes, disclaimer also, I will not be wearing makeup in this video because I did my makeup after I finished with my hair. So you know, you're gonna be seeing some fresh bare skin, not even eyebrows. So yeah, enjoy this video. So these are the products I'll be using: a white tooth comb, 2 brushes, my equal styler gel, and we can get started. As you can see, my hair was already kind of in like a messy pony. Don't mind it because it's just like in a mess. But anyway, I'm just brushing it all up into a ponytail so that it can be nice and all hold into the ponytail. I'm just using this brush. As you can see, it's got wide spaces, so it's quite easy to comb the hair with it. And I'm just combing most of it basically to the front of my head, and as you can see, it's like super thick. And then I'm taking this finer brush, which is just to sort of smooth the hair and get it nicely into the ponytail. So I go ahead and do that, and once all the hair is brushed up in a direction where I feel like I can hold it properly, I then go ahead and put some gel in my hair. As you can see, that's the amount I have on my hands. And I'm just putting that all around the perimeter of my head, starting from the front, working my way all the way to the back. And then I go ahead and brush again to smooth the product into my hair and also to make the edges a little bit sleek. And as you can see, it's kind of curling up at the roots where there's my new growth. But that's going to be fine because when we tie it up properly, all that waviness is going to go away. So as you can see, I kind of struggle to put my hair into a ponytail because my hair is so thick and my hands are really small. So I do the best that I can, and when I get to do it, I'm just like, if you have extremely thick hair and small hands like me, then you know the struggle of trying to get your hair into a ponytail, okay? You need to... ponytail. And now I just go with a little bit more gel around my edges, and I just add a little bit more gel, kind of lay down my baby hairs a little bit. I don't really show the full process of me doing this because I already have a video on this. So if you'd like to see a video on how I do my baby hairs, then I will link it down below and in the eye above, so you guys can just click on it and see how I do the baby hairs. But anyway, now you're going to want to take your ponytail and just wrap it as tightly as you can around itself because you don't want it to be like a big ball. So try and wrap it as tightly as you can and then just bobby pin it. And now this is where we take the braiding hair. So this is just regular braiding hair. I found a color that was similar enough to my hair, and you just fold it like so into basically one smaller side and then 2 bigger sections, because the folded side with the smaller one is going to be one section, as you can see. And then now I take a hairband and I tie it in the middle of the hair. Lots of people use an elastic for this, but I don't like tying my hair with elastic. I just feel like it tangles my hair and it's just not I just use a regular hairband. I just fold it and then pull it through, as you can see. That's the best way I can describe it. And when it's set like that, I go ahead and put it and tie it around my little bun. And then now you can go ahead and start braiding the hair from your head. If you want, you can do the braid off your head, but I think it actually works better for me. And I like to braid it this way, like braiding going under instead of over, if that makes any sense. I just like how the braid comes out better. And I had actually braided this hair before to see what it would come out like, so that's why it was a little bit tough to braid. But if you're using a new packet, then it'll be super easy. Just find one that's similar to your hair color. Then at the bottom of the braid, now I use 2 little black elastics and close it, and then I just cut off the little weird shaped end, and it's nice and blunt. I actually like the braid to have a blunt edge. And then now I am just fluffing the braid at the top, and you will see why. We're done. No, I'm just kidding. So now that the braid is like that, I'm going to flip it over, and that little section where we fluffed, so make sure you don't make it too tight at the top. Where we fluffed, we just spread it over the bun, and then you're going to take your bobby pins again and just pin it down in whatever direction you'd want the braid to fall. So for me, I want it on the side, but of course for the front part, which is very vital, you need to make sure you bobby pin that down nicely in place, as I have done. And then now you're just going to flip the braid over onto the side, whichever side you feel suits you best. And then when you do that, you go ahead and pin the back as well, because you don't want your hair looking good in the front and crusty in the back. And then now I just continue to fluff my braid, and I just go up and down the braid, fluffing, pulling and pulling and pulling. As you can see, it is super easy to do. Just don't be too rough with it, and don't pull extremely tiny sections, because you might just mess up the braid and make it like really frizzy. So as it's getting smaller, just keep going back to the top, fluffing it, going all the way down, back and forth, until it is your desired size and thickness. Some people use 2 packs of braiding hair, but I feel like it's too much and kind of heavy. So fluffing the hair really does the job for me. And this is basically it. You can add in whatever little hair clips and whatever fancy things you'd like to add to the braid, but this is basically what I do. I think I went ahead and put some clips on off camera, and that is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.